Hey y'all, it's Cat here. How you doing? How you doing? Hey, something came in the mail today. Yeah, sure knows. Yeah, sure knows. But what do you know, Poppy? Where you at? What do you know, Poppy? What do you know? You know. Okay. BarkBox is here today. It's the big one. And it's Easter. Hopefully you got some good stuff for Easter. Easter stuff up here. See that? And Poppy outside. It's BarkBox day. Yeah, it is. Alright, let's open it up. Poppy, BarkBox is here. Look at it. Molly's like all excited. Yeah, all excited. Yeah. Get down there. Oh yeah. Want to tear it up? BarkBox. Molly said, yeah, BarkBox. Alright, let's open it up. Hold on for a minute. Alright, Poppy, calm down. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, you gonna let me open it up or what? Alright, come on. Let me open it up. You gotta let me open it. Oh, I said open it up. Alright, hold on. Hold on for a minute. Hold on for a minute. Okay. Alright, Molly, what we do first? We get Poppy a toy. Oh, she got. Sure, I ripped it up. Alright, hopefully it's Easter stuff. Alright. Hold on. Hold on. That's what it is. It's not Easter. It's some kind of night. It's a no more. Some kind of dragon there. Okay, well, we give Poppy a toy. First of all. I'll let her tear it up. Okay. Alright, Molly. Where you going? What's up, Molly? Oh, so you made a camera. Okay, here we go. It's Nights of No More. And this is for April 2025. Oh, so where's the treats at? Okay. So we got some kind of cup here. Probably want to tear it up like a shot. Alright. This is a Live, Laugh, and Love. And it's kind of cup. You know. You call it. What is it? Some kind of holy grail. There you go. Alright, there you go. And we got some kind of little dragon here. That's cute. Okay. And then we got another toy. We got a knight. Here we go. Let me check it out. See, we got a dragon. Probably want to say, let me see the dragon. Oh, Bobby, let me see the dragon. Okay, there you go. You got that. Well, knight. Knight in shiny armor here. All right. Then we got a sword. We got a big old sword toy. All right. All right. And here's the treats. Okay. This is a treat here. This is a bright dental stick. They like dental sticks. All right. And then you got your usual cheesy peasy things. Treats. Cheesy peasy treats. Okay. We got Moo Moo jerky bars here. Then we got your Go Nutty soft baked dog treats because Molly likes soft stuff and they're peanut butter flavor. And then we got your Lucky Duckies. We like Lucky Duckies, don't we? Yes, we do. All right, I'm gonna give them the dental treat first. They like dental treats. Let's check it out. Ready? You want to sit? This is a dental treat. I'm gonna break it in half. Yeah, sit, Poppy, sit. All right. And get Molly one. Molly up. Molly want a dental treat? I said, nope, don't want that. All right. They ain't bringing pork sticks much. All right. We'll try this one. This is the Lucky Duckies, and they're soft baked dog treats, and they're turducken flavored. Can you believe that? I'm gonna get one of them. Here one on. Here's Poppy. Oh, so yep, give me turducken. I like that. All right, Molly. How about you? Molly, you want turducken? Eat that one? Yeah, Molly, eat that. This is kind of hard for her. All right, you like the turducken? You like turducken? All right. That way. All right, we're gonna get the Go Nutties. Go Nutties. Here, Molly. Here, Poppy. I have Go Nutty. And here you go. What do you want? On the dental stick right here. Here. Poppy's already in one of these Go Nutty things. And Molly over here, she's got that dental stick, so chewing on that. Let's take a little look at the box here for this month. Knights of Gnawsome, Under the Round Table. I don't think it'd be an Easter theme, but yeah. Every month there's this surprise. Kind of cool. It's like medieval Dungeons and Dragons type thing. For many dog ears. See, the main dog ears. Yeah, this one here loves the. Look, what she loves about these barkbox is that there's trash. Every wrapper is a toy for her. And in the back, we have the house of dog and have some stuff here. She goes, oh no, oh. All right, you missed out. Poppy found a beefy nom stick in the bottom of the box. Like, I didn't even see it. And I what Molly wanted. These are good. I said, yeah. Okay, we'll open that up. All right, Poppy. Gotta sit. No. You gotta sit for me. Sit. Okay, come on. Go sit. Get Paul. Paul. Get Paul. Paul. There he goes. Beefy nom stick. Here, Molly. Try it out. Yes. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's go back to the bark box here. This is what it is. It's House of Dog. And we're going to check it out. We got some treats here. Again, look at this. This is a little cool little dragon thing. Has wings. Yeah, I like that. Then we got a big old sword. Take that to see Minecraft. Looks like almost a Minecraft sword. Take that sword. Take that sword. I gotta get here. Come get it. Okay. Like that. What else we got? We got a goblet. That's a big old goblet. Live, laugh, and love. Here. And then we got a little knight in shine armor guy. Little knight. Yeah, I popped his head off. His helmet off. And there you go. Oh, comes to the top. Well, that's him without his helmet on. Squeaks too. So Molly, how does that treat? You like that treat, Molly? Is that good? Molly don't play the toys. Okay, so we got those Go Nutties. Here's the Go Nutties. They like those. And then we had those. And those are the Lucky Duckies. And they like, I know they like these Moo Moo beef sticks. You want one of those? All right, hold on. Here's Molly. Molly's like, yeah, I'll take that. She loves beef sticks. Bobby over here likes trash. Okay, but there's Molly. Molly is almost 10 now, and she likes soft treats. And Poppy over here, she likes to play with the wrappers from the treats. You can see her? All right. All right, Molly, what do you want? Want to try one of these cheesy peasy soft bakes? Right, there you go. Nope. Probably one of those. Nope, don't want that. They got this bright stick, dental stick this month, and they got a beefy nom stick too. They love that. All right, that was BarkBox for April 2025, and we got a good deal. Got me a goblet here. It says live, laugh, and love. They like this. And they have some great treats. Again, this is the theme for the month. Check it out. It's Knights of Gnawsome. This little Dungeons and Dragons type thing. They love it. And again, here you go, Molly. Molly, like the treats? Like the treats, Molly? Yeah, she likes the treats. All right, from me and Molly and Poppy, that's BarkBox for the month. Thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day.